Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 34 how to tag a video the correct way on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then make sure you're signed in. Click on the home page of your profile. The arrow that faces down, new post, we are going to post a video. So before posting the video, I will take the video title, copy, and then take the video, replace the video on the screen for an upload to Instagram. Stop the video, use the current frame, and now it is time to write the caption, paste the video title, which is how to use Instagram on a computer, GRIDS application notifications for Instagram tutorial 7. Open up the tag document, take a couple of tags, copy all that, go to the caption, paste the tags, add some more tags. Instagram 2019, Instagram videos 2019, and Instagram notifications. Now we can post the video to Instagram with a good caption, good hashtags, post the video. The video has now been officially posted to Instagram. Go to the home page of your profile. Look at the previous photo that we posted. We have 2 likes. The notifications have already started to roll in. Click on the heart on top. Yes, 1 like, 2 like. The video has also been posted to Instagram. A good caption, good hashtags. Click on the first hashtag. The photos and videos are all visible to the world. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.